Good morning, YouTube. Today it's 7th August, Thursday, and we are actually today looking to, first of all, Bitcoin that I want to discuss, Ethereum, and then after a position that I just opened. Why I opened a position I'm gonna tell you about, but first of all, I want to talk about Bitcoin. What was actually happening? First of all, I wanted to discuss the shorter time frame because actually there was something interesting going on. First of all, if you look to the 4 hour, I drew and said yesterday in my video, by the way, that if we manage to break the 114k, it was this area where we were consolidating, which was actually a possibility if we didn't push that we were gonna reject lower. But actually, what was happening, we went for the upside, and then I also said in my video, if we then have one more rejection where I was gonna short, I opened a short here, by the way, a little one, and then I was gonna short here. I didn't because this was I was not on my phone and didn't set orders, so I missed this move, unfortunately. But still, not really unfortunately, because if you look to it now, actually the EMAs are your friend, I always say. And if you look to it, the 15-minute EMAs, it bounced perfectly on the last EMA actually. And also if you look to the 4 hour, it's now actually um, managing to hold yeah, in the EMAs, I would say, for a push higher actually. And if you look to it, we have actually an uptrend, if you can see, like a higher high, higher low, higher high probability, higher low maybe, and then if we can manage to go, we can even push, in my opinion, like for this, for example, to the highs, to the highs indeed. But if you look closely to it, then still we need to manage to break this level of 115 to 15.5 to 116k to really be bullish on the lower time frames actually. If not, and if we reject, keep rejecting actually, then it's a possibility that we revisit the lows, obviously. But on Ethereum, I have actually a really good eye on Ethereum. It's now actually, yeah, you see the mid range, I would call it. You have the mid range. Where is it now actually sitting at? And it's a sort of, yeah, resistance for now. And if we can flip this, then this will be a really good one, actually, like this, to the to the highs. And if not, if we don't manage it, we go again for the lows, where the EMAs are aligning with the local support, with the local support zone that is around this 3.6 to 3.57k area. Actually, I also opened a position on CRV. Why? Because if you look to it, the EMAs are actually smashing into each other. The price is, in my opinion, making a momentum for higher. What did I do? I opened a position because I see it like this going, and then that it's like a move imminent to the $1.05 maybe, that area. And if not, then I did also some order base still, so limit orders around this area where also the EMAs are very good. Like you can see, I opened this position just not long ago, I think a couple minutes ago. I opened it live with a leverage trade of multiply 12 with a position of yeah, a margin around the 4k dollars. So I can still still open more when we are going lower again. I open again a position. Like I said, I will set some orders in this area to long even more, and with an invalidation around this area. I will do the long position maybe like this. That first of all like this. This is my point of interest. Then I would say if we go lower, I do here still some orders. But for now, in my opinion, it looks not that bad if Bitcoin managed to hold. So that was my analysis for today, and thank you for watching.